There we are. Wanted to show you the foundation going in on this job here now, and as you can see, we've got 600 wide foundation, and the reason for that is so important that foundations should be wide because of the distribution of the load that's coming down onto that concrete. It'll distribute at a 45-degree angle, so we've got it nice and wide, 600 mil for a 9-inch wall, and we're only going to go approximately just under a metre. And the reason it's coming over here now is we're going to meander this wall, and we're stepping it up as we go. The other important thing is that when you're digging foundations, that you need to get through the clay until virgin ground, okay? Clay is no good, you just need to get through it. If you've got to go a bit deeper, you've got to go a bit deeper. Then you can start deciding if you need steel. But that's an all new ball game, that is. So that's about it. Watch this progress. In the meantime, if you need some advice, go to the website, which is www.greentoplandscapes.co.uk, or give myself or Alison a ring in the office. See you in the next video.